the new year, or maybe you're moving into a new home. Either way, it's time to check out those pots and pans in your cupboard, because I bet maybe one or two of them might need to be replaced. So if you don't want to do a whole big set, the first most important pan in your kitchen is the 8-inch skillet. It's the one that you're going to be doing your omelet in the morning, that one little fried thing, a single little dinner for you. The next one you're going to want to replace, 10 to 12-inch skillet, family size. It's the next pot you want. And the next thing is your stock pot. That's where you're going to be making your soups, your stews, all those big, wonderful things for parties, chili for goodness sake. And if you're like me, you have a cast iron skillet. That goes from your stovetop into your oven, great for braising. It's a great addition to any kitchen. And the thing that you need to remember most, on all of your nonstick surfaces, your hard anodized, your beautiful surfaces for your cast iron, silicone or wood utensils. You don't want to scratch all your brand new pots, right? So have a great time in your brand new kitchen.